Dominik Gutierrez is an American professional wrestler signed with WWE. He is a former SmackDown Tag Team Champion and is currently assigned to Raw. He is the son of WWE legend and Hall of Famer Rey Mysterio. The Mysterios are the first and, so far, the only father-son duo to win the Tag Team Championships in WWE. Currently, he is a member of Judgment Day. Dominik Mysterio is of American-Mexican heritage as he is born and raised up in the United States of America, but his family is Mexican. He was born on the 5th of April, 1997 in San Diego, California. Dominik has been involved in wrestling since the age of 10. He has appeared on WWE television on several occasions when his father won several championships. In 2005, Dominik was involved in a feud with Rey Mysterio and Eddie Guerrero. At SummerSlam, Dominik's custody was on the line when Rey Mysterio faced Eddie Guerrero in a ladder match in 2010. The father-son duo went on to have an extended feud with the Judgment Day. Finn Balor, Damian Priest, and Rhea Ripley attacked both Rey and Dominik Mysterio every week. The odds were even when Edge made his return at SummerSlam and allied himself with the duo. At Clash at the Castle, Edge and Rey Mysterio defeated Balor and Priest. However, after the match, Dominik snapped and attacked both Edge and his father. After the event, he joined the Judgment Day and helped the stable attack Edge. During Thanksgiving, Dominik invited Ripley to celebrate with his family, but Rey refused to let them in. This led to an attack by Dominik and Ripley on Rey. On Christmas Eve, they went to Dominik's grandparents' home, where a heated confrontation broke out between Dominik, Ripley, Rey, and Angie. Dominik pushed Rey, and Angie slapped Ripley. The police arrived shortly after and arrested Dominik as part of the storyline. The father and son then went on to lock horns at WrestleMania. On the April 15th episode of Raw, Dominik suffered a legitimate elbow injury during a match with Andrade and was believed to be out of in-ring action for about 6 to 8 weeks. During this time, he began a storyline with Liv Morgan, having accidentally helped her defeat Becky Lynch for the Women's World Championship at King and Queen of the Ring on May 25th. On Raw, after accidentally helping her retain the title against Lynch, Morgan kissed Dominik. During the following weeks, as part of her plan to take everything from Ripley, Morgan continuously flirted with Dominik in an attempt to win him over. On the July 8th episode of Raw, Dominik and Morgan defeated Rey and Zelina Vega when Dominik pinned his father. After the match, as he and Morgan were about to kiss, they were interrupted by a returning Ripley. He won back Ripley's trust on the July 22nd episode of Raw by publicly telling Morgan he hated her and making her cry. However, at SummerSlam on August 3rd, Dominik helped Morgan retain her title, ultimately betraying Ripley by kissing Morgan afterwards. As every WWE fan might be aware, Dominik Mysterio is the son of the wrestling legend Rey Mysterio. The first time fans met Dominik was in the WWE programming way back in 2004. At that time, there was a feud going on between Rey Mysterio and his dearest friend Eddie Guerrero Jr., where the two fought over the custody of Dominik. Both Dominik and Alia Mysterio have been making appearances at the ringside from a young age. Alia is the younger sister of Dominik Mysterio. She was a crucial figure in Dominik's first major storyline in WWE involving Seth Rollins and Buddy Murphy. Dominik Mysterio had been dating Marie Juliet since the 8th of November. 2011, the two finally got engaged on the 2nd of January in 2023. They got married to each other on March 6, 2024 in a ceremony that was attended by fellow WWE wrestlers including his friends Austin Theory, Rhea Ripley, Damian Priest, and his father Rey Mysterio. Gutierrez is a third-generation professional wrestler. After his father, Rey Mysterio, and great-uncle Rey Mysterio Sr., he has been around wrestling for the majority of his life, thanks to attending WWE events as a child to see his father. He then began training in 2017 and later started appearing with his father on WWE television in 2019. The following year, he began a feud with Seth Rollins, which culminated in his debut match at that year's SummerSlam in a losing effort. He then formed a tag team with his father in which they won the SmackDown Tag Team Championship once, making them the first father and son team to win a tag team championship in WWE. He later turned on his father in 2022 to join the villainous stable, The Judgment Day, and battled his father in losing efforts at WrestleMania 39 and XL. Mysterio defeated Finn Balor, Penta, and Braun Breaker, the incumbent champion, for the Intercontinental Championship at WrestleMania 41 by pinning Balor. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.